Thank you for tuning in to our video. I am bringing you one of the coolest cars I've probably ever had on the showroom. This is a 1964 Nova. This is a full Restomod build. I want you to take a good look. All the lenses have been replaced. The chrome and all the bright work. Look at the shine of that metallic red paint. Isn't that beautiful? And take a good look at the chrome on this car. It is all done. All your headlight bezels, those are all been redone. Torque thrust 2, American knockoffs. Here we are on the rears. Why don't we take a look at the inside of this? All the interior is fresh. These are powered windows. Brand new bucket seats. The shifter does have the lockout. Full array of gauges. You have the stock radio here, but in the glove box is a modern radio with a CD player. Now take a good look at this. This first switch right here. This is a Turbo 350 with a gear vendor. A gear vendor allows you to have an overdrive. So, it's either strip or street. The second one, and with the red light, this has line lockers on it. Oh yeah, nothing like an old school hot rod. And take a look at this steering wheel. It just doesn't get any cooler than this. That's a 69 Chevy steering wheel. It has been shortened from 18 to 16, so you can fit in the car. Give you a good look at how the dash is laid out. You look at the driver's side door panels. The rear seat, I doubt if it's ever been used. It is spotless. Here's all your door jambs. This is an absolutely a stunning build. Went ahead and opened the trunk for you. As you see, everything is fully detailed on this car. I really like the Nova script and the Chevy logo. Even the side panels have been done. Isn't that nice? This car is absolutely show ready. There she is, fully detailed. This has chrome everywhere. It's a 383 stroker. Made it to a Turbo 350 that has a gear vendor added to it. Now for a full build list on the engine,
Everything from what type of heads you're running to the cam size, the distributor. It's all on my website. Please visit the website. Can you read this? That's right. A lot of details. Isn't that the coolest ever shock towers? A lot of money was spent on this car. Now comes the fun part. Let's go ahead and start her up for you. All right, this is a cold start. All the gauges coming in. I want you to take a moment here. Look at the speedometer. That is a GPS. So you know your exact speed all the time. Ready? God, I love the sound of this car. Sort of kill her off now. Man, just rock solid. That is Lexus Metallic Red. If you are thinking about painting your car this color, it absolutely shines.
Now this is a post car, but it does make it more solid in the build. The 383 badging. You will notice that the car is badged as an SS. That is for fun. If you are building a full custom as this, you are allowed to have some liberties. I personally like it. I think it's very cool. And if you got the baddest Nova in town, you can put whatever you want on it. And believe me, anyone that comes up against this car is going to have their hands full. Like I said, all the details are on our website, pantherroadclassics.com. You are welcome to stop by our showroom. We are open to the public. Give you one last look at her before we go. Thank you very much for tuning in. One more time, it's pantherroadclassics.com. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. We are open to the public. Thank you again, and goodbye.